Hello, Ma'am. Good day. I am Justin Michael M. Obo, Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, Section DEF1. And today I am going to discuss the process and procedure on how to slaughter a chicken. I hope you enjoy. So the first process in slaughtering a chicken is ante-mortem or ante-mortem inspection. So when we say ante-mortem, it means before death. So ante-mortem inspection is the inspection of live animals and bird prior to being slaughtered. And all livestock presented for slaughter by the establishment to which you are assigned must receive ante-mortem inspection. So, why does ante-mortem inspection is important or prior to slaughter? It is because to know the physical build and the health status of an animal's being slaughtered. Secondly is the stunning process. So when we say stunning process, it is to ensure that the animal is unconscious and insensible to pain before being bled out at slaughter. So common stunning method includes electric stunning, captive bolt stunning, or by the use of the carbon dioxide gas. So birds stunned by passing their head through an electrified water bath. Then thirdly is the sticking. So when we say sticking, it is an animal's neck is cut using a very sharp knife to sever the major blood vessels in its neck or chest that supply the brain, to ensuring rapid blood loss and therefore death. So the part of the neck that should be cut is on the carotid artery or the jugular vein. So the sticking time or the duration of sticking is 3 to 5 minutes. So the fourthly is scalding. So when we say scalding, it is done to loosen the feathers prior to plucking. And this process is performed by immersing the bird in a warm water or through the use of newly developed process that involve exposure to steam, or manual scalding is done by placing the carcass in a hot water or tank. So the water temperature needs to be between 130 to 170 degree Fahrenheit. So for the best result, use a thermometer to monitor the water temperature, the water temperature rather. So chicken will needed to be scalded between 30 seconds to 2 minutes. Then the next one is the plucking. So when we say plucking, it is the feathers should be removed by a machine called a picker or a manual defeathering. So as either of the two that you are going to use. Then 6 is the singeing. So when we say singeing, it is the removal of the remaining hair follicles that can be a source of contamination. So the temperature of a singeing chamber can be about 1,200 degrees Celsius, and the surface of the carcass can rise to over 100 degrees Celsius after only a 10 to 15 second exposure. So use a small cream brule torch or a large propane torch or a barbecue lighter to singe off the small hairs. Then 7 is the evisceration. So when we say evisceration, at this point, the prin or oil gland is removed from the tail and the vent is opened so that the viscera or the internal organs can be removed. So this can be done either by hand with knives or by using complex, fully automated mechanical devices. So anything you're going to use, so just to eviscerate or to remove the internal organs of a chicken. Then 8 is the cleaning. So when we say cleaning, generally a whole chicken will contain a giblet package. So that needs to be removed from its cavity unless it was previously removed during towing. So if the giblets are to be used, rinse with cold water and pat dry with a proper towels. Then the last one or the 9 is the storage. So when we say storage, so poultry or chicken should be stored in a bowl or on a platter in a bottom of the refrigerator. So your refrigerator's temperature should be 38 degrees to 40 degrees Fahrenheit or lower. So freezing is the most common method of meat preservation. Trimming exists fat and removing bones if possible will conserve freezer space. So that's all for the process in slaughtering a chicken. Thank you.